What's happening, guys? We're back. Today we're working on a pretty exciting, I would say the next biggest step, visually at least, for the build. So if you guys recall from the last video, we went ahead and just applied the last coat of epoxy primer, and then I laid the final little touch-up spots of my seam sealer because unfortunately before GTR Festival, I actually ran out. I actually just went ahead and scuffed the entire underside, which absolutely sucks, man. Like if you guys do any sort of work like this and you have sanded an underside completely, woo-wee. Got all that knocked out, taken care of, so we're ready to go ahead and wipe this thing down, mask it all off, and get to spraying. So I'm gonna work on doing that, and I'll see you guys in a second. The more I've been thinking about it, now the stone chip I'm using is paintable over. Now that leads me to my next point. I'm actually gonna be doing a coating over the stone chip. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on this. This will be a really exciting, visually appealing step to do. All right, so we're pretty much all masked off. I will actually be replacing these custom tubs I made. So if any of you guys out there are interested, R32 guys, these will be for sale. So let me know. But yeah, gonna be replacing all that. So we're not painting, we're not doing anything there. We're just focusing on the main portion. Woo, big moment, another big moment coming up. All right, so the $1 million question, what are we using? This is it right here. U-Pole Gravitex. It is a nice rubberized undercoating. And like I said, I have another top coat that's gonna go on top of this, which is gonna take it to the next level. If something bounces and if a rock hits against this, it's just gonna be like a little cushion and bounce right off. Now you do need the specific gun here to paint. It's also a U-Pole gun. I'll try to have a link down below as well for you guys. Basically, we just unscrew. This one is gray, but at the end of the day, the color of this doesn't really matter. I just wanted to pick a color that was different than the primer. That way it's easy to see when you apply it. So pretty excited to see how this comes out. All right, I guess there's nothing but to do. All right, boys? Let's see how it goes.
Dude! Wow! Dude! This is looking crazy. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. this looks so good, bro. Wow.
Wow. I gotta say, the finish, I am so thrilled on how this turned out, especially for my first time doing and spraying this stuff, guys. I put another coat on. I didn't film it because it's exactly the same as the first one. It looks exactly the same. Just added a little bit more build, a bit more thickness. And yeah, man, I mean, everything just came out incredible. Now, this is where it starts to get exciting. So you guys can kind of see it has that that OEM kind of stone chippy, textury, orange peel type thing going on. And that's exactly what we're looking for. So very, very happy with how things are looking, man. Did a little bit of the rocker here, and it's just, man, it just all looks fantastic. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I'm really excited. This is by far a whole lot better than what you get, you know, from AutoZone out of the can, just your basic product. This stuff is really durable. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's you know, it's some good stuff. So for the past half hour, I've been concocting a special mix of top coat for this thing. So essentially, we're not leaving it in this color. That's why I said the color doesn't matter. We are gonna be applying an enamel on top of it. Now, the way I'm gonna do it and the way Steve does it from SR Auto Bodies, he does it by hand. We're gonna go in by hand and get it done, and I think it's gonna turn out fantastic. So what color, you might ask? Check it out. So yeah, you guys can see how still remains. I started with this this kind of light gray color you guys can see on top of my paint stick, and I've just been adding and adding black. This is an enamel, like a, so, you know, it's a really thick, you can see how thick it is, but it's gonna provide such a durable and nice coating on top, and it's gonna look fantastic too. And the nice part about this stuff, as opposed to applying like a 2K base or a base coat and then a 2K clear coat, if you wanna go in and touch something up, there's no massive procedure, there's no blending, there's gonna be no polishing. It's just, if you get a chip somewhere, you go in with the brush, done. You know what I'm saying? It's just way easier for maintenance. And like I said, guys, I plan on driving the wheels off of this damn thing. So I'm not worried if we get some rock chips. That's what this is for. The whole point of this is to drive it and just enjoy it. So that's another reason why this stuff is nice, because there's no activator, there's no hardener and things like that. It just dries. It's like a quick dry enamel. Sorry about all the chatting, but yeah, that's kind of, you can see the color. I think I'm happy with that. I've been messing and looking at it for like the past 30 minutes. And I just put all the materials away because I was like, we're done, stop. You know what I mean? Like, we're not messing with it anymore. But I say we just go ahead and apply this stuff. I think that color is gonna look nice. All right, man, I'm stressing. I'm overthinking this whole color thing way too much. But I think this is it. What I wanted to do is I kind of wanted to match KH2. You know what I'm saying? If you guys were on the live stream a couple days ago, you would have noticed that that's kind of what I want to go for. So I think this is close. But I'm overthinking it, man. I'm just freaking overthinking it. Let's just paint it. All right, commit. We've committed. We've made a dip. Okay. Yes, I think yes, you know? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. So far, first impressions. I know you guys don't get a great look and it's hard to tell off a camera, but yes, I think I'm with this right now. Wow, okay. This is actually incredible. I'm really pleased. Well, this might take me a while, guys, so I guess we'll tune back in. Hopefully you enjoy the time lapse. Give you guys a sneak little close up. What do you think? What do you think? I think that's really nice, actually. That color. KH2 was kind of what I was going for. As long as it doesn't look like primer, you know? And the primer color is that. So, you know, we're not, I think we're enough off of that color. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it for sure. I'm gonna keep on chugging, man. This might take me a while. Come on. Unbelievable. I really wanted to try and just kind of get as close as to KH2 as possible. Obviously, without the metallic, there's no need to do metallic underneath here, right? But as far as just getting a base gloss, and I don't know how well I tried to get the light adjustments on my camera to try and get this color, you know, to show up as best as possible. And I think it's kind of close. I'm really happy with it. It came out absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, check it out. Just came out so good. I mean, the finish is so nice. I love the way it all looks. I love that kind of orange peel look to it. Really OEM in my opinion, and I think this came out phenomenal. So couldn't be any happier. I'll try and get a few shots of it for you guys here just to give you a better look. That gloss finish is super clean. Man. Anyone that was on the live stream that said to go gray, you were right. You killed it. What a great choice. Super pumped on this. White would have been clean, but it just would have been more of like a show thing, you know? Steve was saying the same thing. Whereas this, I plan on driving it and really enjoying the hell out of it. So this will be a lot more of a daily driver spec, and I think it's a little bit more classy, but just looks phenomenal, man. So, I mean, just everywhere we look, it's just so good. Dude, that color is just so good. Man, I love it. Now, if you guys are curious as far as how many, I don't know if I mentioned, but I used about seven cans of the Gravitex, the stone chip. It's quite a lot, and I still obviously have the front to do. So I'm probably gonna run through a whole nother can at least. So we're gonna be about 8 or 9 in this whole car. One of the great things about this finish now is it just leaves a super slick finish. Nothing's gonna snag with the microfiber. You could easily ceramic coat all of this if you wanted to. I don't know if I'm gonna do the entire underside, but maybe just the wheel arches here in the back. You know, maybe just to make clean up a whole hell of a lot easier. Great thing about the enamel, it becomes a super durable, really tough finish, and it's just gonna last, man. It's gonna look good, super easy serviceability, maintenance, durability. It's great. Sky's the limit with as far as what color we decide to go with, but I think this is perfect. It's gonna suit the X, because we're obviously, for the exterior, we are gonna be going with the 326 white as the OEM color for this car. And I think it's gonna accent everything very well. It's gonna be a very nice contrast. It's gonna look really good. So we're really looking forward to hopefully getting the car painted soon, but this is a great step in the right direction. That's gonna about do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about the results and what you feel about the color choice. And I'm curious to hear how you guys feel about this. I'm super excited, and I think it came out pretty good for sure. Little by little, we stay chipping away, and things are progressing pretty well, I'd say. Appreciate you guys for liking the video. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.